In this video, I'll show you how to enable nightstand mode on your iPhone. So when you place it on its side while charging, it turns into a clock and information display. Apple actually calls this feature standby mode, not nightstand mode, and it needs to be turned on first. Let's get started. Open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down until you see Standby. Tap on it. Turn Standby on. This feature activates when your iPhone is charging and placed horizontally on its side. Once enabled, your iPhone can show things like clocks, widgets, calendars, and photos. Inside Standby settings, you'll see a few options you can customize. You can choose how long the display stays on. For example, turn off automatically after 20 seconds or never. You can also turn on night mode, which adds a red tint in low light so it's easier on your eyes at night. You'll also see options for notifications, including whether notifications appear on the screen and whether you need to tap to view them. After you've set everything the way you want, plug your iPhone into a charger and place it on its side. Lock the screen and standby mode will appear. Keep in mind, standby uses the ambient light around you. If it's bright during the day, it may not activate. It's designed to turn on mainly in darker environments, like at night. When it does turn on, you'll see a large clock, widgets, or your calendar, perfect for using your iPhone as a nightstand display. If this video helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might find this useful. We're a new channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.